Night Forest Cafe. We've got Mexican.
You like it, Brian?
Mexican barbecue, Mexican.
Yeah?
So many people, huh?
Seafood,
Yep.
Mexican.
So many people.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, Texas, Mexican.
Everywhere.
We also have some nice mariachis coming up here on the right side. Let's start out.
Okay.
Look at this. What is this eating food, Baba? What's he eating food, Baba?
Yeah.
What's he eating food? I am hungry now.
You're hungry now?
I am hungry. I am hungry, Baba. I am hungry.
Okay. What do you want to eat
Where?
after boat ride?
It's really busy here.
I want to eat
People that want to eat at this restaurant.
french
Usually the
fries
wait time
Okay,
for the
well,
restaurant
I'll
here,
buy.
they'll tell you
and ice cream.
Okay.
45 minutes.
And
It's cold. You like ice cream in the cold?
Yep.
Oh.
Put down here.
Can I eat more, please? Please?
Okay.
Why?
Huh?
Why I need to eat again?
Okay.
It was open here to spot your back to the river wall built in 1946.
There's so many ice creams.
See? That's a Hilton hotel.
That's right, here it is on the right side. Found to be able to place to take your family, especially if you came in a large group. Perfect place for food, really good Mexican food as well. You got ducks that you get to feed, right?
One by
Mexican
one.
ducks. We need Mexican food. Let's go down here to the boat coming out, and we'll go ahead and turn left back to the man-made extension of the river. If you haven't noticed already, we pretty much completed a huge loop around the city right now. Now we're going back into the man-made extension where we started.
One more coming.
What? How much? How much, Baba? How much? One more? When did one more come?
So many boat, right, Brian?
Nope. How much we got bird? How much?
Here on the right side, guys.
Like this.
Yeah, a little close to this wall.
Be careful. Oh, patay ko sila. Cooking din, bisa.
Skills test right here. Now I want to answer a few common questions that I always get about the river walk. Okay, number one, I think I want to answer, how do you